guys, I would like to discuss with you. Do we practice in this way? We are discussing, we are convey our thought with our family members. Most of the time, we speak with others. We're speaking in this way, but we can speak only small sentences. Please give me some help. I need some help. Are you ready for doing my help? And are you comfortable? Would you like to talk with me? I am not feeling well now, and so this is the perfect idea, and I need a glass of water. So are you ready giving me one glass of water? And there are so many sentences we can express our thought with small sentences. Would you like to take me coffee? And would you like to prefer me some new clothes, because I'm ready for wear new something? And can you describe your uh, daily routine in front of me? So this is the perfect way for learn new something. And let me go outside. I would like to go outside. I would like to talk with new different person, and I would like to remaining here and there, so that at least we are going to outside and we will talk with together. And then it's also very good sentence. In this way, this is the perfect way for learn new something. And we must be ready uh, for express our thought with others, with ourselves. We can talk also ourselves. This is the uh, perfect way. We are doing some activity in our daily routine. I'm washing utensils, and I'm not washing utensils. Do I was utensils? Do I not was utensils? In this way, there are so many present tense, present tense. This is way, this is the perfect method for speaking. We must realize we must be speaking with alone, with separately. This is the also very good idea, because we must be ready for learn new skills and communication skill. It is the also different way for different community members, and then they will be appreciation. We don't know, we don't care, they will they aspiration or not, they feel they praise us or not, we don't care. And there is no need of aspiration praise of it, because we are doing for ourselves. We do most of the time we are new something from outside. Anywhere we want to become successful person in our life, there is no any unnecessary reason. We do hard work only with ourselves, with our with the we would like to earn money more and more. This is the, so we do only most of the time only ourselves. We can't imagine others, we can't compare others rather than others people. We don't realize in those people, because we can't say nothing about their self. They community members, they feel embarrassed towards on us maybe. But we should be good person, we should be optimistic. We are ready for different new something. So this is the perfect idea for doing any aspiration as well as optimistic. We should not be pessimistic, and we should be positive. If we are so positive person, so we learn any new things in our life every single day. And all the moment we are ready for prepare for ourselves, because we want to describe ourselves, we want to update our skill, our time or communication skill. If we didn't know in my initial day, I started 1 year ago, and at that time I didn't have idea for speaking English. I didn't speak also any single word. But at that time I felt nervous with my friends, and but I tried over and over again. Then I started speaking gradually, this is the also, and they praised me sometimes in front of me, and I felt very happy, over the moon. And so that at least it was it I got chance, and I felt just like happy, over the moon. This is the also aspiration, and they gives me praise. So we should be ready of different something. If we are interested, we are want to become a good person in our life, so we must be try over and over again. And this is the also very communication skill. All people they live around us, we speak only our mother tongue. This is the also another way, another method, but we ignored them. We think in English, or most of the time we speak ourselves. We motivate our mind, our wisdom, and as well as our intelligence. This is the also perfection, this is the also perfect idea. We must be ready any different something in our life. This is the life we are living in present life, as well as we will have to live our future. We must thank of our God gives us this chance, and we are ready. We speak we speak with our God. Thankful God, please thankful God, you give one day. We don't know about our tomorrow. So thank God, and we will I aspiration with you, so you gives me good chance, good opportunity, good circumstance, so that at least I will be understand, I will be doing all work with smoothly, with perfectly, with perfection way, and with good strategy. And so this is the good idea for doing different something, because we are human being. We know each and every step, how can we define our life, our also good nature, good command, good ideas. There are so many different kinds of circumstances. We do we busy with our friends as well as our family members. So guys, thank you guys. If you like my video, share and subscribe.